My name is Glen Assoun, and in 1998 I lost my freedom for something I did not do. They charged me with first-degree murder of Brenda Way. I was subsequently wrongly convicted in 1999 and sentenced to life in prison with no chance of parole for 18 and a half years. My phone rang, and I just answered it, and it was Sean. And then he patched me through to Philip Campbell, which is another lawyer that's on my case. And he told me that the Justice Minister had made a decision that my case is indeed a miscarriage of justice. And I was so overwhelmed that I just cried hard in Smitty's restaurant on Main Street in Dartmouth. It affected my mind, it affected my overall health. I had a couple of heart attacks in prison. It took my youth from me, all my younger years, and now I'm 63 years old, and I'll never get back those years in my health. I won't get back. And all the freedom that they took from me, and all the things that I missed in life. I'm just, life passed me by. I lost 3 family members while I was in prison. My 2 brothers and my mother, I lost her while I was in prison. I knew she was in bad shape, and I applied to go see her, but they wouldn't allow me to do that. They wouldn't allow me to go and visit her. I was turned down by the parole board, and so I didn't get to say goodbye to my mother or anybody. In 2017, I had a major nervous breakdown, and I ended up in a mental facility for a month, and it was hard to get my mental health back. I mean, I have mental health problems now because of being wrongly convicted, and being locked behind the walls of a prison for something you didn't do is devastating. It's the worst thing that ever can happen to a human being. I don't think there's anything any worse that I know of. I've always had hope that I would prove my innocence. Always. I've never given up hope, and just never. I never give up hope. I knew that this day would come. I just didn't know when.